Okay, another command available to you. Um, if you're not really interested in subscribing to these alerts for whatever reason, um, or if you want to just check different assets out, you can hit the slash command. We start everything with the slash. We're going to type asset and then pick report. So we got asset report right here. Again, same format. We're going to pick our asset type. We'll do crypto. We're going to pick our time frame, and let's see what the higher time frame of the daily looks like. And we're going to pick our ticker. This is one ticker here, so we're going to do XRP. And so we'll go ahead and hit enter. And what it'll do is the bot will um, give you a readout of the daily alerts that came into the system and compile them into this little list here. It'll also give you a recommended stop loss, um, tell you how long ago that stop loss was updated. It'll give you an idea of the last dot that came in. So there's no dots that came in for this. It will give you a score. So it looks like XRP has got a little bear score here. These alerts here are weighted, so it kind of checks to see uh, what the alert was and gives it a score, whether if it was a flash or whether it was a confirmed. Flashing carries less weight than a confirmed. And the further down the list this goes, it only shows you four here. The SQL database has all of the alerts that would have come in, and the older alerts carry less weight than newer alerts. Okay, so you can run this on any asset that is on the watch list. Again, you can see the watch list is over here, right on this channel right here. If you need or want to get another asset added to the list, you're going to come to this channel here, drop it in there, and I'll pop it on the list. We can have up to 1,000, I believe. So, and we're only about 300 right now. So, we got a little ways to go. And these alerts that do come into the system, the bot will categorize every single one of them and sort them out into the SQL database. So when you run this command, it queries the database, pulls all the relevant information.